smack it in the air. Clap, 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 clap it. Put up my foot up. Hold up, now my foot up. I'm spinning my foot up.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Kiana here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what are you doing? Like, go ahead and subscribe, girl. Like, come on, let's get going. Okay, so today I am super excited because I have another review for you guys. Something I love, okay? I'm very passionate about, okay? And it is these bad boys, my lashes, girl, okay? Get into it, let's go. Okay, so little background. I have been doing my makeup myself since I was in 6th grade. I used to play with it, you know, a little before then, but like seriously been doing it since 6th grade. And when I got older and, you know, my mom kind of let me wear lashes and stuff, I loved how they looked. However, I could never do them. Like, and I feel like I am pretty much a pro at doing my makeup. Like, I'm 30 now and I've been doing it since if I was in 6th grade, I was 11. So I've been doing it for almost 20 years. Like, I am a pro at doing my own makeup, in my opinion. However, lashes is just my kryptonite. I cannot do it. Okay. And so when I found out about these magnetic lashes, I thought, just like everyone else thought, oh, magnets on your eyes, like, oh, girl, I don't know. And when I saw how much they were, you know, I was seeing them for like up to $200, like between like $50 and $200. I was like, oh, no, that's not in my price range, you know, but it's a brilliant idea. But, you know, thanks, but no thanks. I will continue to try to find, you know, lengthening mascara. So I was doing that for a while until one day I was in the beauty supply store and I spotted these bad boys for $6. These are the iEnvy double strength magnetic lashes by Kiss. They are so cute. And this is the style that I'm wearing now. It's the style 03. They're 3D magnetic lashes. They come in this packet like this. Sometimes you can go to the store or online and buy them with the actual liner. The liner will kind of be like, just like inserted right in there like that. But these don't come with it. So tried them, bought one pair and then bought the liner. I think the liner and it's the same brand. I bought the liner for, I think like $10, I think. Might've been less than that, but if not, it was no more than $10. Anyway, bought one pair of lashes and the liner together, tried it out, and I wore these lashes out, honey, like, because we were in the pandemic, so I really didn't want to leave the house too much, but I still wanted to like take selfies and, you know, look cute during the pandemic. So, even though I was staying at home. So I bought one pair and I think I made them last for like a month. Okay. Like, seriously. So every time I go to the beauty supply store now, I buy quite a few pairs. Pretty much if they've got them all there, I just buy them all. I love the ease of them. They are amazing. Girl, you just got to go try it. Don't let the magnet thing by your eye scare you. Don't let that scare you, girl. Just go ahead and get it. This is another type that I wear from the same brand, but this is in the original case they're in. This is the wrong number for them, but they look like this. They're like the wispy ones. They're newer. These this style actually just came out not too long ago, but they are a little, they're shorter, but they are a little thicker and fuller than the style 3. With these are a lot heavier. So when I wear these, I don't wear these as often as I would wear these because these feel easier to wear for me because they're a lot lighter. But because these are heavier, my eyes tend to look like this when I have them on. Probably not this closed, but they end up looking like I feel like I have to, you know, open my eyes like that. So you can see that my eyes are open. But yeah, they're nonetheless, they are really cute too. They are some really cute showstoppers. I really don't know the number of these. I really don't. I probably should have bought a pair of these too so I could show you guys, but I don't know. I don't know the number for these, but I'm going to look them up and put them somewhere in the video somehow around here. So yeah. But yeah, these are cute too. But these are my absolute favorites. They have more kinds than just these two, but these two are my favorites. So I would just go to your beauty supply store or online and just check them out for yourself to see which ones that you like the best. I also bought one of their eyelash tweezers that look like that. They are really good too, especially if you have really long nails. I don't have really long nails. Mine are pretty average, but I would suggest these for you if you feel like you don't have a steady hand or you have really, really long nails. I would suggest getting these too so you can kind of get it exactly where you want it to go. How I kind of keep up with them is when I take them off at night. So yeah, I take them off my eye at night, and then you'll see, you can't really see here, but they have, the eyelashes have 5 little baby magnets in them. And I just take my nail and kind of just wipe away the excess magnetic liner on them like that. And then I put them away in one of these little trays that they come in. And then I just, you know, use it, wear it for next time. And the reason why I put them in one of the little trays is because you can see here in the little tray here, they have 2 little magnets there. So that way the eyelash will hold its shape. There we go. This is the iEnvy Kiss eyeliner that you buy to go with these lashes. The label has actually fallen off every time I buy these, because I have a few of these in the house, but I don't have a brand new one. But every time I buy these, the label falls off the side. I don't know why. So yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna just show you an example on my hand because I already got my lashes on and I don't want to mess these up because I'm gonna go out after I finish filming today. So this is, it's just like liquid eyeliner. So I'm just gonna put it on my eye. I mean, I'm gonna act like I'm putting it on my eye, but I'm gonna put it on my hand like this, right? Like that. Just put a layer on like that. And you just let it dry. Usually what I'll do is I'll put my liquid eyeliner on and then go back and like do my lipstick or touch up my face or something like that, just to give it a little drying time, because you got to let it dry completely before you put on your lash. Yeah, while we're letting it dry, I'm going to go ahead and open my box here so I can show you guys. I'm just going to use the new ones so I can show you guys what they look like when you take them out. So they come in a little pack like this after you take it out the box. And then they come just like the other ones, like that. Sometimes I'll keep these clear boxes and, you know, just kind of slide my lashes back in there like that. Sometimes I can't keep up with them, or I don't keep up with them. I just throw it away and I just keep this part. As long as I keep the tray part, for me, I'm good to go. But, you know, if you want to keep the little clear box that it comes into, you know, just kind of preserve them a little more, that's on you, girl. Do that. So it looks like it's dry. So after it's dry completely, you can use your tweezers if you want, or you can just take it with your finger. I'm just gonna use the tweezers because I want to be fancy. Pull it right on off. Get it how you need to get it. Get it how you live, girl. And then look, watch this. Watch this, y'all. Watch this. Ooh. Ooh. Boom. Boom. It's on there, girl. Lashes on fleek, girl. Oh, hey. Yeah, we twins. Okay. Fierce. Fierce, honey. So, yeah. Oh, girl, yes. And let's say you like, oh, I done messed up. I put it too close to my corner, or, you know, I need a reposition. Girl, look. Take that bad boy off and put it back where you need it to go. Okay? Press it down, shaking together, running over. And it's back on. Okay? Child, when I tell you, this has changed and elevated my makeup game, okay, times a billion, okay? Because I feel like ain't no makeup complete without lashes now, okay? Before I used to try to compensate, be like, oh, you know, you don't have to wear lashes, you know, lashes too much. I used to say lashes too much because I couldn't put them on. I can put in, you know, I take that back because I can put them on, and I do a very good job of putting them on, but they bother me. But these, nothing. I don't feel anything at all, and I don't have to worry about the glue drying or the glue sticking to my lash and my eye getting glued shut. Nothing like that. Nothing. Okay, so yeah, the only downside is if you don't like eyeliner with your makeup look, then this isn't for you, because definitely you can see a liner there on me, and I do a little cat eye wing because, you know, gotta do a little razzle dazzle. But you know, if you don't like, and look, I'm just talking and you see this lash is not moving, girl, you see. But yeah, so if you don't really like the liner look, then this product is not for you. But if not, I would definitely say go out and get it. It's really cheap, it's a good investment, and yeah, I love it. So that is my honest review. If you guys have any questions or comments, just leave them down in my comment section below. If you have anything else that you guys want me to review, let me know. Or if you want to see any other kind of videos, just let me know that too. And I will see you guys soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you haven't already, please subscribe, okay? Okay, girls. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.